So over the last few weeks, I've been watching a whole stack of lighting tutorials online, and it's made me really think about how big of a difference lighting makes when it comes to video. So I was really inspired to buy a couple of new toys. So I got two of these Aputure MC LED lights. They look really cool. They're full RGB and they can connect to your phone. So I'm really excited to try them out and see what I can do with them on this channel. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and setup video today, and then in the coming weeks I'll release a full review, so keep an eye out for that. But anyway, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, so here we are with the Aputure MC, and let's just get straight into it. So if we get my trusty pair of scissors and just snip this little bit open, there we go. That should just slide out like that. So there's the little light, and it's actually really quite small. I mean, I've got relatively large hands, but it's quite a small little light. But I'll just put that aside for now. We'll look at what else is inside the box. So take that out. Got some silica gel, that's very exciting. And then the little carry pouch. So this is kind of cool. It also looks like there's a manual in here. I think that's everything in the box. And then we've got a little product manual, so I'm sure that might be useful. Probably never use it, to be honest, so let's put that aside. And then so the little pouch, I think that's pretty cool actually that it comes with this little pouch, this little travel pouch. Looks like it's got a metal clip on the back, so that's pretty sturdy. It's a pretty solid little case. It's similar to, I've got the Aputure 120D. It's similar sort of fabric or material to the carry case on that, so it feels like pretty high quality. Then we've got the carry pouch for where the light goes, I'm assuming. Yep. So that's pretty cool. Then in the front, let's see what's in here. So it looks like we've got the little soft box. That's all there is in there. And then inside that, we've got, looks like 2 3M strips, Velcro. So I'm sure that could come in pretty handy. So that's cool. Got 2 of them. And then the little USB, looks like a USB 2 or 3 to USB-C charging cable. So that's pretty handy. It looks like it's a braided cable, which is kind of nice. That's cool. And then obviously the soft box, so this will come in really handy. I'm really excited to try this out, give this a go. Let's see how it fits on the actual light itself. So we just pop that back out. We'll just put everything else aside for now, since we don't really need that anymore. And here we have the light itself. So straight off the bat, it feels pretty sturdy. I'm not sure. I think it's made of aluminium. Feels pretty solid for the size. And we'll just take the front protective cover off. Sure, that's the cleanest it'll ever be. So just having a look at it, it's obviously got the little screen on the side, the buttons and scroll wheel with the charging port on that side, and then the magnets on the back. It's also got like a little screw thread, which is quite handy if you want to mount it on like a light stand or something like that. So let's switch it on. So if we turn it on, there we go. It's obviously pretty bright. And then I think with this little scroll wheel, yep, so we can adjust the color temperature on the Kelvin scale, which is cool. And then also the brightness intensity. So it looks like it goes in 1% stop, so that's pretty good. Let's try putting it on the little diffuser. So I'm guessing that just slides in like that. Yep, clips over like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So it obviously leaves a bit of space between the light and the actual outside of the gel, which is pretty handy because it ensures it gives it that level of diffusion. So that's a pretty nice soft light. That's pretty great. And you can obviously access the controls and the screen. I think I might have it on back to front actually. Yeah, I do, but that's all right, it still works. So that's the light. Now the other thing I'm really curious to try out is pairing the light with the Sidus Link app. So I might just turn the brightness down a little bit. Oops. Yep, so I'll pull out my phone and increase the brightness a little bit. There we go. So I've got the Sidus Link app here, and I've never actually linked it with any of my lights. So this is the first time I've set it up. So if we go scene 1, add. So select the Bluetooth reset function in the menu of the fixture. So I might just take this off for now. And then if we go to the, if we hold it down, yep, so if you hold it down, you've got the menu. So BT, I'm guessing is Bluetooth reset, yes. Saying it's loading. There we go, there's the fixture. So select and then go set up. Setting up fixtures. Pairing successful, okay. So it looks like down here, oh yep, so straight away we've got intensity control. So that is pretty cool, I have to say. Just turn it on and off. We've got, oh that's cool, it's got a time remaining on the battery, which is pretty handy. Then if we go to the fixture itself, here we go, so we've got all our main light controls, which is really handy. I'm not sure what GM is, but CCT, so we've got the Kelvin scale warmth or coolness slider here, that's pretty handy. And then gel, color, so here we go, this is where I was keen to try out. So as you can see, we can just slide this around and it changes the hue, so that's pretty cool, I have to say. I am a big fan of that. You can select presets. So I mean, it's all fairly straightforward and explanatory. Looks like we can set fade ins, fade outs. Seems like it's quite programmable, which is very cool. Can do the effects as well by the looks of it from here, yep. So if we've got paparazzi, yeah, so we can set the effects controls here as well, the ones that come with the actual light pre-built in. Cop car. So that's pretty cool. I'm a fan of that. So if we go back to color, select the color. Then the last thing I was really curious about was the color picker with the camera on your phone. So if we go to picker, and as you can see, I can select a color to choose from. So I might try and see if I can get a color on this camera, maybe one of the green bits. So go pick up. And there we go. It's matched the color of the writing or the text on my old Canon camera, which is pretty cool. So I'm a big fan. Definitely stay tuned for some upcoming videos. I might do a full review on the Aputure MC. I've got a second one of these, so we'll see how that goes as well. Let me know if you've got any questions, or if you actually own an Aputure MC, let me know if you've got any tips or tricks for me as a new user. So there we go. I've got 2 of these Aputure MC lights now, which I reckon are going to be so much fun to play around with and use in upcoming videos. So like I said, keep an eye out for the full review. I'm going to put that out in a few weeks. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.